Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I'm your host Chef Savio and today we are going to make penne pasta with vegetables and pesto sauce. It's an Italian dish, very simple and quick to make. So let's get started. For this we have the ingredients here. We have some fresh basil leaves, then we have cashew nut, we have yellow bell pepper, we have red bell pepper, we have salt, we have green zucchini, we have yellow zucchini, we have penne pasta, we have chopped garlic, we have parmesan cheese, we have some pepper, some olive oil. Let's start with making pesto sauce. For the pesto sauce, we'll take a handful of basil leaves, 1 tablespoon of garlic, around 3/4 cup of cashew nut. The reason we are using cashew nut instead of pine nuts is because it's less expensive and it's easy to find. Then we have some parmesan cheese, which is around 3 tablespoons. We'll just add a little bit around olive oil to it. And now we'll blend it till it is nice and coarse. We don't want the pesto to be too fine. It has to be little coarse in texture, little grainy in texture. Now we'll add almost around 1 cup of olive oil to it. And blend it again so it is little more finer than this. Our pesto is ready now. You can now see the coarse texture of the pesto. Once your pesto is ready, we can season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Now this is ready to be used for the pasta. So our water for the pasta is ready. Just add a little bit of salt to the water and a dash of olive oil. Now we'll add the pasta to it. So the reason to add oil to the water is so that once the pasta boils, it will not stick to each other and it will be all separated. So our pasta will take around 7 to 8 minutes to cook through. Till then, we'll start making the sauce for the pasta. So for the sauce, heat around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic to it, a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of yellow zucchini, 1 teaspoon of green zucchini and 1 teaspoon of yellow pepper. Now mix well. Our vegetables are cooked now. Our pasta is also done. Now we'll start adding the pasta to the vegetables. Now toss it along with the vegetables. Season with a little bit of salt, pepper. Now you can turn off the gas and add 2 tablespoons of pesto to it. Now mix this well. A little bit of pasta water if the sauce is too thick. Our pasta is ready now. Now we'll start plating. Our pasta is ready now. It is very important that you put the pesto sauce in the pasta only when the flame is off, or else your sauce might get blacker in color and it will give you a bitter taste. Now let's finish it with some garnish of parmesan cheese.